छोटी बात है।
For the past year at Inside IIM, we have been conducting one-on-one career coaching sessions as counsel, short domain-specific courses as masterclasses, and university-affiliated certificate programs. Now, we are extremely excited to announce that we have a new home for all these highly rated programs in altuni.in. So, if you are looking to earn a high salary, get a promotion, switch jobs, click on the link in the description or just visit altuni.in. Thank you, enjoy the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. Cheers.
अच्छा सुन, कैट की प्रिपरेशंस ना अच्छे से करियो।
अबे तू कर लेगा।
सब हो जाएगा. Sounds so nice, right? These three words I've said the most times in my preparation than the actual word cat. Because whenever my parents asked or my friends asked about my preparation, I've just said sab ho jayega. So my Josh period was really stirring. For instance, everything seemed as clear as advertisements of Sprite drink. Crack cat and boom, college. And maybe it was supposed to be like that. But for an unprepared person like me, it wasn't so easy. While I was being delusional about the fact that I will be earning more than my combined family annual income, my focus automatically shifted from one thing to another, without me realizing that time is slipping away. You see, unlike branded materialistic things we own, which may lose their ability to function over time, this is not the case with our good B schools. Because these colleges or universities are not just giving us a degree or knowledge in modern business concepts, they are in fact producing highbrow managers and risk-loving entrepreneurs. So, there's a reason why you see a rejection on your application, because the vision always has been to equip the graduates with enough weaponry when dealing with complex economic situations. But is it worth it? Which brings me to my second point, brand. These are some of the most sought after B schools in India. I'm not going to bore you by talking about them in detail. But if you are still interested to know more about them, you can check out our series KYC, that is Know Your Campus, for more details. Coming back to my story, so at this point in time, my focus did shift from hard toil of preparation to that of price. And I didn't realize this, that I was standing at the edge. So there I was, hardly with 2 months time left, and I had to sit for one of the toughest exams in the next 2 months. Also, funnily enough, I thought of a lecture I attended about marketing at that point. I hope you have heard of product life cycle. To put myself there on the chart between X and Y axis, I started to look at the books and reading materials more seriously. The adrenaline of the initial days of thinking about the price of the best B school subsided by now. Now I felt like I have reached the maturity stage, because that's where I started entering into the much talked about mature mind problem, procrastination. I did take my time for granted, but I had the luxury to take baby steps to understand how this whole thing works. Just like during our adolescence, you are free to go about doing your own research and development to steer your growth. Sounds compelling, right? It certainly did to me. But again, CAT asks for more than just cracking the exam. It demands dedication, hard work, planning, and above all an intent to make it all work. And I did none of them in my first attempt. So, if to highlight what mistakes you shouldn't be doing if this is your first time. First, have a plan. Which month you'll cover basics and from which month you'll start giving mocks. Second, build a routine of studying every day. Third, please don't keep the prize in your mind. Meaning, definitely my preparation started with a vision of cracking exam. But without any definite goals, it all came down to laziness, tardiness, and a lot of time mismanagement. What followed next for me, you'll ask? Well, then came the decline stage. which I'll talk about more in the upcoming episode. Let me know if you are also related to my story of the CAT prep and how I approached the exam last year. I will be talking more about my lessons and how I am preparing this year in the upcoming episodes. You can also help me by suggesting what other materials I should follow or what process of preparation works for you, so that I can make some mental notes out of it. So time to wrap, study hard, and I'll see you in the next one.